How to create a group chat on TikTok. Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a group chat on TikTok. If you are always sending video one by one to your friends, now you can just go ahead and make it so much easiest by create a group chat on TikTok. So first thing you're gonna do is go to your TikTok application. Now you can go to inbox, and then you can see the little paper plan icon at the top right of the screen. Tap on there. Now what you're gonna do is go ahead and start chat with somebody that you want to be with in this group chat. Then you can see those three dots up there. Now you can see one option that says create a group chat. If you can't see these options like me, you can just update your TikTok by App Store or Google Play Store to the latest version. Then simply just tap on create a group chat and choose people that you want to be with in this group chat. And this is our video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.